Hi, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm creating this cranberry pearl look. I think this is so cute for the holidays. This look was Euphoria inspired with the pearls. So they use jewels, but I thought it would be a cute holiday touch to do pearls instead. If you guys want to see how to create this look, then just keep watching. I'm starting with the Estee Edit by Estee Lauder Pore Vanishing Stick. So I'm going to apply that over my face. Then I'm going to go on to my foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Dewy and Smooth. I'm the color 315 Soft Honey. I actually haven't used this foundation in a while, so kind of excited. And I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. Then I'm going into my MAC concealer. This is the shade NC35. So this is a full coverage concealer. It works really well. Then going in with my Kat Von D translucent powder, taking a fluffy brush like this. This one's by Real Techniques. And I'm going to set my concealer. The trick to setting your concealer is being really light-handed so that you don't actually remove the concealer that you placed. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Eyebrow Lift Duo. This is a really nice and precise eyebrow pencil. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my face later and get started right on the eyes. I want to do like a very cranberry kind of look, but first we're going to set our eyes with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just applying the primer all over my eye. This is going to help our eyeshadows stick and stay on really nicely. So, going into the Becca Ombre Rouge palette, I'm taking this very neutral shade right here, kind of like a taupey brown. Just apply this as my transition shade in my crease. Now taking the same domed blending brush, I'm going into this Protégé by Suva Beauty palette. And I'm taking this really nice cranberry plum shade. And I'm going to apply this to my crease as well. And you definitely want to make sure that you tap out any excess because you want to slowly build up the color. You don't want to just add so much color and the color might end up looking clumpy. And I'm going back into the Becca Rouge palette, and this time kind of mix these two colors together with my big fluffy brush. I'm just going to use it to blend out this color. So just in the crease. Don't actually put the purple eyeshadow all the way to the lid because I just thought of an idea. So instead, I really wanted a red eyeshadow, but I don't have a red eyeshadow. So I'm just going to use this lipstick because I just need the pigment. So I'm using this lipstick by MAC for my eyeshadow, and it's called Anything Goes. It's the Velvetese lipstick. It's really good. And I'm just gonna add it on my lid. And I'm taking an eyeshadow brush and I'm just blending in this color into my eyelid. Then I'm taking this Farrah blending brush. This is 25EL, and I'm just blending out this purple shade a bit more. I didn't put any color on it. So that's it for the eyeshadow, but I'm gonna add some pearls. But first, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner. I'm just cleaning up Okay, so I have these little pearls and I'm gonna add them around my eye and it's gonna look really cute. So I'm gonna take eyelash glue, I'm gonna pick one up with the tweezer, add eyelash glue on one side, I kind of like how these are a little bit further apart, so I'm going to spread these apart. Okay, to finish off this look now, I'm just taking, in the Protégé palette, this shade. It's called Era, and I'm just going to use that as my highlight shade. So in my inner corners, whatever remainder of that plum color, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. I'm using this ELF 3-in-1 mascara. And for contour, I know I always use this, but it's just so easy to use. I'm using my Park Princess Tarte palette for contour, and I'm using the color Angle. I'm really more just bronzing up instead of precisely contouring. For cheeks, I'm going into this Estee Lauder Blush All Day palette. There's 4 really pretty shades. I'm using this coral color. I'm going to use this Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Highlight. Put that on the bridge of my nose and on my cheekbones. And right on the bridge of my lips. And for lips, taking this color called Cranberry by Estee Lauder, I'm going to line my lips first. I'm going to take my finger and just blend this color out into my lips. So this way the line isn't too prominent. I'm taking this gloss called Snowflake by Tarte Cosmetics, and it's a clear gloss with some shimmer. And that's it. So this is my cranberry inspired pearl tutorial. I kind of tried to incorporate like Euphoria trends into this by doing the pearls along the crease line. I think it was a really good hack to use red lipstick instead of an eyeshadow because I didn't have red eyeshadow, and it came out pretty well. That's definitely something you can do if you don't have an actual color. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!